Smellerbee. That's an unusual name for a young man.
Maybe it's because I'm not a man. I'm a girl.
Oh, now I see. It's a beautiful name for a lovely girl.
I know. You're right. As long as I'm confident with who I am, it doesn't matter what other people think. Thanks, Longshot.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Longshot and Smellerbee from Avatar: The Last Airbender. Smellerbee uses Doc Ock's truck heist hairpiece and a head from the blind bag Indian chief, which seems to be the only Indian head that doesn't have a nose. Her torso is backwards and comes from Lando Calrissian. I gave her black arms and gray hands, as well as Nia's waist cape from the Ninjago movie. Beneath that, she has some regular dark gray legs, as well as a dagger for an accessory. Moving on to Longshot, he has Master Wu's straw hat, with an expressionless head. Beneath that, he wears a brown archery quiver. I'm not exactly sure where this torso comes from, so please leave a comment below if you can find out. Anyways, he does have dark blue arms, as well as some dark blue legs, and an arrow to go with the custom-made bow. Speaking of which, that concludes this week's video. If you would like to see more Avatar characters in the future, feel free to subscribe.